In the quest for the perfect vacuum, convenience, power, and versatility are key. The Bissell Featherweight Stick Lightweight Bagless Vacuum in a vibrant blue stands out as a cleaning powerhouse. Let's dive into why this vacuum is the game changer you've been waiting for. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Effortless cleaning anywhere, anytime. The Featherweight Stick Vacuum is designed to make your cleaning routine powerful, convenient, and easy. Its lightweight construction doesn't compromise on suction power, offering you a quick and efficient cleaning experience. Say goodbye to the hassle of lugging around heavy vacuums. Versatility redefined. This vacuum is not just a one-trick pony, it's 3 machines in one. Seamlessly transition from a stick vacuum to a handheld vacuum, and further adapt it into a Stair vacuum. The versatility of the Featherweight ensures that every nook and cranny in your home is within reach. Specialized tools for targeted cleaning. Equipped with a crevice tool, this vacuum is your go-to solution for reaching tight spaces and furniture. The floor nozzle is perfect for stairs, making it a comprehensive cleaning tool for your entire home. From hard floors to low-pile carpets, it handles various surfaces with ease. Compact yet powerful. Despite its compact size, the Featherweight packs a powerful punch. Its 2 amps power rating ensures that it's not just for show, it gets the job done efficiently. The 0.67-liter dirt cup capacity means fewer interruptions during your cleaning session. User-friendly design. The Featherweight is not just about performance, it's about user-friendliness. The 15-foot power cord gives you the freedom to move around without constantly searching for outlets. The corded power source ensures consistent and reliable suction every time. Why you need the Bissell Featherweight Stick Vacuum. Convenience at your fingertips. Experience powerful cleaning without the strain of heavy machines. The Featherweight is your lightweight cleaning companion, making every session a breeze. Versatile cleaning. Tackle various cleaning scenarios effortlessly. From stick vacuum to handheld and Stair vacuum, this machine adapts to your needs. Specialized tools. The inclusion of a crevice tool and floor nozzle means no corner or stair is left untouched. Precision in cleaning is now in your hands. Compact powerhouse. Don't be fooled by its size. The Featherweight is a compact yet powerful vacuum that gets the job done efficiently and effectively. User-friendly. With a generous power cord length and corded power source, this vacuum ensures you have the freedom to move and consistent suction power. Final verdict. In the world of vacuums, the Bissell Featherweight Stick Lightweight Bagless Vacuum is a standout performer. Elevate your cleaning experience with a device that marries power, convenience, and versatility seamlessly. Make cleaning a joy, not a chore. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.